drawing will be piston head. Please start with saving. Make sure you're in the right folder and then you start drawing. So start with the line, letter L, and then I'll draw a line going upwards. Going up. Mirrors. Zoom in. So this is going to be the center line. So I'll change this to center line. And then I'll start drawing the vertical lines. So L again for line. I draw a line going up. Escape. Then I put dimensions or letter D. This one is the largest, which is 44 diameter. Then I draw another line, L for line. Draw another line, the second line. Press escape. That will be 40 mils from the drawing here. 40 mils is there. So go down, that is. So that's 1, 2 lines. So I'll first draw the general and then I will do other things. Then now I draw the heights. So with the heights, I have that height here of 29.3. So I do a line, center line. So line there up to there. Press escape and I put dimension. That height is 29.3. 9.3. I think we need a line also on the bottom. Just line. And then so across from this line I do an offset from there going up. That will be a -2. I do offset from this line, which is a 5, so it's -5. Then I draw another offset. Offset does not accept offset. Let's try and see. Yeah, offset won't accept offset. So let me draw another line. This line, I give it another 2 millimeters. So that takes us up to that point there. So from that point, then I will draw the curve because this goes up to 44. Then I will go in for let's use the 3-point arc. So I start from there to somewhere here and then I go that way. Then I put on that arc, I'm going to put yes there, which is 62. 0.5. Give it the proper one. Z Control Z. Okay. If we do contrast to 2.5, I think, let me add a line there, and I see a line from that point, and then I make this one tangent line, so the curve comes underneath. So this should be almost all. Then we do trimming, or letter T. So that is gone. It's gone there. The V gone. This one goes inside. This out. That's the other groove. We don't need this. You can turn off the constraints and even the dimensions if you want to see properly. And then you can turn them on again. T for trim. So that's basically how it should look like. And then now give it the thickness, because we need a hollow thing inside there. So this one, if you look at the dimensions there, will be an offset of 3. Remove chain before you do offset. So I do offset and then remove that chain, and then you can have going down a -3. Then we do offset again. This bottom one is 3 mils. So I put 3 mils there. So that line of 3 mils will go up to the top and join to that line there. So if I make an extension, I can the line there. Let me pass it there a bit. T for trim. Then I trim off that. This is the gap of the thickness. That looks almost like that. We don't need all this. Meter fillet here. So in that corner I put 1 millimeter, and then that is all now. So what I need to do now is to revolve this. So revolve is R. It's rectangle, sorry. Let's see, revolve. And select, and then I click OK. And that's now the cylinder, which is finished. So let me leave it here and then do another video for the next